Hey everybody, it's Teresa. Welcome to my channel. I have the October 2025 bargain bead box to share with you all today. I have a coupon code for the bargain bead box. It's Teresa2, and I'll put it on the screen here and in the description box below, along with a link to the page to sign up for the subscription if you're interested. The coupon will save you $2 off your first box if you sign up. So I'm going to take it out here. Take a little peek. It's a little black baggie this time. Looks like it's got silver, maybe antique silver findings. Some black and white beads there. Some pretty striped beads there. I don't know what that is. That's really pretty. Hold on, I'll sort everything out. I'll be back. Okay, I've got everything sorted out now. It looks like the theme this month is Midnight Menagerie. I think that's how you say that. I'm not sure. Menagerie, Midnight Menagerie. Shadowy hues and nocturnal creatures combine in this fun yet elegant set. Pendants include a charming celestial cat, a bat set with golden sheen obsidian, and a faceted black obsidian teardrop. Gemstones in dark, moody colors mesh with sparkling crystals and silver findings to create an October twist on this classic black and silver palette. And then under here is a 30% off coupon that you get if you're a subscriber to the Bargain Bead Box that you can use in their sister store, Bead Box Bargains, and you can use it as many times as you want to during the month, and they already have great prices, so that's a really great deal. And then on the back here is everything that comes in the box, and it says the estimated retail value for the shipment is $90.29. So this is just a really great value box. So the first thing is a 26 by 46 millimeter brass and golden sheen obsidian bat pendant. I've got it upside down. The bell's up there, so the bat will hang upside down. And this is really cool. And that's what the back looks like. This is really neat. Good for some Halloween jewelry. And then next is a 31 by 27 millimeter antique silver cat and moon pendant. That's really cute. It's got the little cat sitting in the little moon there. That's what the back looks like. It's really neat. And then next is a 7.5 inch strand of 8 millimeter golden sheen obsidian round beads. And those are really pretty. And then next is a 7.5 inch strand of 4 by 3 millimeter golden sheen obsidian faceted rondelle beads. Now these are some tiny little rondelle gemstone beads. 4 by 3 millimeter golden sheen obsidian faceted round beads. Those are really pretty, nice and shiny. And then next is a 15 inch strand of 6 millimeter black agate dyed and heated round beads. Those are really pretty. Some of them are a little different than others, though. That one's got some stripes in it. They're really neat. And then next is it doesn't say how long the strand is. It says 8 by 6 millimeter Malaysia jade dyed quartz rondelles in October nights. Those are really neat. They got some purples and oranges and browns in there. All the colors of Halloween. And then next are 6 pieces, 13 by 10 millimeter black onyx dyed and heated barrel beads. And I love barrel beads. If I can get some on my pen here. Those are really pretty. Nice and smooth. And then next are 10 pieces, 10 millimeter agate dyed and heated striped Z beads. These are really pretty. These are the ones I saw through the package when I was looking there. They're not all the same colors. They're really, really pretty. And then next is a 16-inch strand of 8 by 6 millimeter crystal rondelle beads in moon shadow mix. And I really love these. These are so pretty. They're so shiny and sparkly. All kinds of different colors in there. Really, really pretty. And then next is a 9.5-inch strand of 6 millimeter crystal English cut round beads in black vitriol. And those are really, really pretty too. Love the English cut. Really, really pretty. And then next are 20 pieces, 7.5 by 11 millimeter crystal faceted chevron barrel beads in black vitriol. These are really neat. They got the chevron pattern on them. They're really, really pretty. There's 20 of those. And then next it says Midnight Moonlight Set, 1 boho bead and 2 glowing lampwork beads. So this would be the boho bead. That's also what I saw through the package when I was looking through the little baggie. That's really, really pretty. Really, really pretty. Got a big hole. You could put it on some leather if you wanted to. And then these are the 2 glowing lampwork beads. They're really pretty. And then next are two 22 by 19 millimeter enameled cat and crescent moon pendants. And I know it says pendants, but I believe these are going to have to be earrings. They're so cute. That's what the back looks like. They're really pretty. And then next are two 23 by 19 millimeter enameled bat donut pendants. And again, I believe these would have to be earrings and go well with that bat pendant we already saw. That's what the back looks like. Those are really cute. And then next are 4 pieces. (20 by 56 millimeter filigree bat connector charms. And those are really neat. Bat connector charms. Well, I just don't want to stay in my hand. Those are really cool. Different. And then next are 10 grams of 5.5 by 2 millimeter corrugated spacer beads. And there's some little spacer beads. Always nice to have spacer beads. And then next are 10 grams of 6 by 7 millimeter dotted bead caps. That's what those look like. Really neat. And then next are 2 pieces, or 2 sets, I guess, 21 by 34 millimeter classic twisted toggle clasps. These are some big toggle clasps. They're really pretty. Really neat. The 2 of those. And then next is 1 meter of 3 by 2 millimeter hypoallergenic stainless steel cable jewelry chain. It's really neat. Always nice to get chain. Really pretty chain. And then next is a 24 by 13 millimeter obsidian faceted teardrop pendant. It's really pretty. Of course, the holes through the top there. And then last is a 7-inch strand of 4 millimeter cat's eye glass faceted round beads in light peach. Those are really pretty. Put a little bit of color in with all these black beads, dark beads. And that's everything. So hold on, I'll see if I can get it together, all together in one picture, and I'll be back. Okay, there's everything that came in the October 2025 bargain bead box called Midnight Menagerie. Like I said, if you're not subscribed to the box and you decide you want to be, that coupon code will save you $2 off your first box if you sign up. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate those of you who have subscribed to my channel and watched my videos and liked and commented on my videos. I have a website where I sell my jewelry and some grab bags of extra beads that I have. It's Teresa's Handmade Jewelry, and I'll put a link to it in the description box below in case you're interested. If you haven't, I'd really love it if you'd subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified when I upload a new video. So until next time, I hope y'all have a great day. Take care.